Okay, continuing with the Trommel build, one wheel is completed.
And we're still working on one all the way over here. And this is a spoke wrench.
So the screwdriver turned out to be a little more difficult in turning the nipples and removing them from the rims. But the spoke wrench works wonders, and once you get a little past halfway,
You can just do it with your fingers.
Yep, it's really super easy. All the tension's removed off the hub and the spokes. Another way you could approach this is you could get a pair of heavy-duty wire clippers and clip these, but
we didn't decide to do that.
we wanted the spoke nipples to be clean,
so we can,
because I believe they're brass.
or are they iron?
I believe they're brass, and with brass we could possibly melt those down or add them to something to make a casting sometime.